Hello everyone, my name is Aaron. Welcome back to the channel. This time I am invisible. And guess what? We are going to be learning today clothes and accessories. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We are starting right away. Bandana. Bandana. Baseball cap. Baseball cap. Bathing suit. Bathing suit. Belt. Belt. Bikini. Bikini. Boots. Boots. Bow tie. Bow tie. Boxer briefs. Boxer briefs. Boxer shorts. Boxer shorts. Bra. Bra. Bracelet. Bracelet. Briefs. Briefs. Cap. Cap. Cloak. Cloak. Coat. Coat. Dress. Dress. Earrings. Earrings. Evening gown. Evening gown. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. Gloves. Gloves. Handbag. Handbag. Headband. Headband. High heels. High heels. Hoodie. Hoodie. Jacket. Jacket. Jean jacket. Jean jacket. Jeans. Jeans. Jersey. Jersey. Knickers. Knickers. Panties. Leather jacket. Leather jacket. Lingerie. Lingerie. Mittens. Mittens. Night dress. Night dress. Overall. Overall. Polo shirt. Polo shirt. Plover. Plover. Purse. Purse. Rain boots. Rain boots. Raincoat. Raincoat. Ring. Ring. Scarf. Scarf. Shirt. Shirt. Shorts. Shorts. Shoes. Shoes. Skirt. Skirt. Sleeveless t-shirt. Sleeveless t-shirt. Slippers. Slippers. Sneakers. Sneakers. Socks. Socks. Sports top. Sports top. Straw hat. Straw hat. Suit. Suit. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Sun hat. Sun hat. Sweater. Sweater. Sweatpants. Sweatpants. Swimming trunks. Swimming trunks. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. thong, thong, tie, tie, tracksuit, tracksuit, trousers, trousers, t-shirt, t-shirt, tuxedo, tuxedo, v-neck t-shirt, v-neck t-shirt, vest, vest, waistcoat, waistcoat, wallet, wallet, watch, watch, wedding dress, wedding dress. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you have learned some new items of clothing, or you have had the chance to revise the words that you already know. Personally speaking, this is not my favorite topic, but indeed important to be able to talk about what we put on, what we wear on a daily basis. If you think I have earned a like from you, please don't hesitate to do so. Click on that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications, the little bell button, because there will be useful content coming soon for learners of English in various topics. Okay, have an absolutely wonderful day. See you in another video. Bye.